Let's explore the SuperOkay project templates and how they adapt to specific use cases. Today we'll be looking at coaching. Start by creating a new project. Now choose the coaching template. At the top of the page, you have quick links. These are links to the external websites that you think will be most useful to your clients. Here we chose a few that could be helpful for a coach, but of course the idea is that you choose your own links. So to customize this, click Manage Quick Links, and now click Edit. Don't forget to save changes. After Quick Links, we have modules. The first is Docs and Files, where we find the bulk of our project data. You can see we already left some ideas as to what sort of documents you could host in your portal. Things such as a coaching proposal or a coaching brief. You can also find your pinned documents here. These are documents we included in the pinned folders of this project, which means the documents inside of this folder will always show up on the main dashboard. Instead of pinned documents, we could have called this knowledge base, for example. If you want to change this, go to Settings, Pinned Folders, and change the name of the folder here. In this case, we left 3 PDFs here called Recommended Reading List, Coaching Session Notes, and Personal Development Plan. This is a section where you can add the documents that you think could be most useful to your clients, or maybe create a knowledge base with documents that are useful for every client in the project. After pinned folders, let's look at embedded apps. In this case, Trello and YouTube come pre-configured to give you an idea of the sort of thing you can do with this feature. If you want to configure a new embedded app, click Manage Embedded Apps, and from here click Embed App. If you're unsure how to use this feature, we left you a link to our guide on how to use embedded apps in SuperOkay. These are the pre-configured modules that come loaded with your template. But there's other modules you can turn on. By going to Settings, Modules, you'll see that Packaged Services, Pages, and Integrations are all grayed out. You can turn them all on, and after you've configured each one of them individually here in Settings, they'll start showing up on your dashboard. Back in the portal dashboard, below the embedded apps, you have the timeline, which, as you use the portal, will start to populate with all the actions that either you, your team, or your clients take. The last module you can add to your coaching project is Tasks. Go back to the dashboard and click the Tasks tab. From here, you'll see a home icon on the top right of every task section. By turning it on, you can add however many task sections as you want to your dashboard. It's important to note that SuperOkay has 2 menus on the left side of the screen. The inner menu is a project menu, which lets you navigate within the project you're working on. The outer menu is a global one, which allows you to access global functions. In projects, you can see and access all the projects in your account. In clients, you can see all the clients in your account and invite them to their specific projects. In tasks, you can see every task from every project in your account and who they're assigned to. In templates, you can see and access every available SuperOkay template, both project templates and document templates. In the library, you can access and edit your library of reusable contents. And finally, in settings, you can access settings related to your account, like setting up a custom domain or inviting team members.